This is it. This is it. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope today you're having a beautiful day. If it's night you're able to watch this video, I hope your night is going well. And I just want to say a big welcome to everyone, especially my new subscribers. Welcome to the beautiful family. Welcome guys. Today I am here, and as you can see, I am in the kitchen. That means we are going to cook. So today I am going to make some nice oven fried chicken. Yes, you hear me right. Some oven fried chicken. Not going to do it the regular way. So let's get our cooking going. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can do your fried chicken in the oven, not the air fryer, but in the oven, and you get that nice, crispy, and tender, juicy fried chicken. Alright, so let's get the ball rolling. Okay guys, so here we have our chicken, right? It's already been seasoned, and I use my chicken season here, some Maggi chicken season as well. Those are the two seasons that I use to season the chicken, but whatever season you have at home, go ahead and use it. All right, so this is our chicken. Look at this, and I mostly use leg and wing, right? So now I have my flour here, which I go ahead of time and add it to our Ziploc bag. You can use a bowl for this, but I rather to use the Ziploc bag because it's much easier. And what I did, I just add some flour here and use the amount of flour that you want to use as it relates to the amount of chicken that you're going to use, right? So this is what we're going to coat our chicken in. I already go ahead and add some seasoning, the same seasoning. I like to season my flour whenever I am doing my oven fried chicken, right? So we have that all set out. So now let's go ahead and add our fried chicken. And as you can see guys, I leave the skin on the chicken, right? You know, when you leave the skin on the chicken, it allows the chicken to have this nice tender, and it's not too dry, right? So I leave the skin on the chicken, right? So let's go ahead now and coat the chicken in the flour here. Chicken, when I prepare this type of chicken for my family, they really enjoy it, and it's much healthier, right? I know that you can do it in the air fryer, but I choose to do it in the oven. So we close our Ziploc bag here, and I said we're gonna shake, give this a nice shake, ensure all the chicken coated in the flour. All right, nice. So I have it there, and I'm gonna use my baking tray. This is what I am going to use, right? What I'm going to do as well, I'm just gonna add a little margarine. Just add the margarine onto the baking tray, right? So just use it just like this. So when the chicken melt into this, oh my word guys, trust me, this is absolutely amazing, right? All right, so let's just take off some of the excess margarine here. And so now we grease our pan. We're going to add our chicken. All right, so let's add our chicken to our pan. Take off the excess flour. right, there you go. Guys, remember to like up the video, right? And also leave a comment, right? Leave a comment. So ensure that the skin is over the chicken, right? Because we don't want to allow our chicken to, you know, the skin serve as a protector, to say it then. All right. So I'm just taking off the excess flour here, right? Ensure that the skin is over the chicken, right? All right, and we are all done here. Okay, so guys, this is what it's looking like, right? Chicken is well coated. So this is the margarine, and you know, to give the chicken that nice crispy and tender taste, we're going to add a little margarine on top of the chicken. All right, so we're going to add just on each chicken. Let's add a little margarine here. Okay, not much, right? We're trying to go the healthier way. Okay, so we just add it to all the chicken. All right, there we go. So this is what my chicken is looking like at the moment, right? This is what the chicken is looking like. So we're gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna allow this to cook for about 35 minutes to 40 minutes, all right? Or until our chicken is well cooked, tender, and crispy. All right, so let's place our chicken in the oven. All right. All right, guys, so we put our chicken in the oven. We're gonna leave to cook, and then I will catch you in a little bit. All right, remember, like, share, and subscribe. See you in a little while. Hey guys, so we're back and we are finished. We're finished with our oven fried chicken. This is our oven fried chicken, juicy and tender, crispy, man. And if you could smell the aroma, guys, I'm ready to dive into this. Not overcooked, they are not dried out, they are perfect and healthy way of making your fried chicken. I hope you will enjoy watching this video, along with, you know, trying out this method of doing your fried chicken. Remember also to like, share, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, right? And remember also to leave a comment and walk out. And I will catch you in another video in Sarah's House of Flavor. God bless everyone. Stay safe, share love, and also be compassionate to others. Blessing, guys.